Hey guys, it's Gina and I am here today to talk to you about these amazing polarized sunglasses that the brand TIJN sent over for me to do a review on. I want to thank them for sending these over. So first of all, you need to know they come in many different color selections and styles. I happen to choose the rectangle, I think they're called a rectangle square version. And when you order, you actually get 2 pairs. I'm going to show you the first pair, which I really like these. These are the leopard pattern, and then I will show you the solid black. I like both. They feature both a UV coating and an impact resistant layer, which is super important. So let me give you a close-up look. When you get your order, this is what it's going to look like inside the box. You have a very nice cleaning cloth that comes with it. You get a nice little card that you can look at, and it says you can look here to see the difference with polarized lenses. And the other thing you get is a card that tells you exactly what they want you to do. It says, do you have a problem with your order? Feel free to contact us. If you have a problem with the glasses, this is a company that stands behind their product and they want to hear from you. So this is a close-up of the leopard print. And the other thing I want to show you, when you open them up, if you notice, you don't have separate nose pads. You have these molded. They do feel really solid. And then I also want to comment on the black pair, that your lenses kind of have a black-green tint to them. I don't know if you can kind of see that when I tilt them in the camera. But this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. And I tell you, this is a really nice set of polarized lenses. Thank you again to the brand TIJN for sending me these polarized sunglasses. My eyes feel so much better when I get them on. A really great find, and I think you're going to want to check them out.